If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and precise drone system, look no further. SkyHawk is here. Good morning to everyone present here. My name is Vishwajinka from Class 9E, deepest rifle Bangalore, and today I'll be presenting you my project which is known as SkyHawk. So in today's world, many natural disasters like landslides and floods are happening in Uttarakhand, Sri Lanka, and many other places, and thousands of lives are being lost in these places due to the lack of rescue and the help which is giving on time. This can easily be prevented with the help of drones that can fly from point A to point B and drop supplies, lifeguards, and buoys fully autonomously with the help of my drone system. Traditionally, if you're a user using drones, you would either have drones from China, which are from DJI. So the market is fully saturated with drones, mainly for photography and agriculture. So from DJI, the drones mainly cost from around 2 to 15 lakhs. And due to the expensive price range and the data leaks from China, you cannot trust them. Coming to our Indian players, we have Garda Aerospace. Garda Aerospace sells very expensive subscriptions for drones, and that cannot be used for the normal companies. And Idea Force mainly sells drones for defense purposes, anywhere from 7 to 51 lakhs. Due to their high prices and the serviceability issues, because since I've developed the entire system from code to design and manufacturing with the help of my 3D printer in home in India, I can service them for a very affordable cost that can be easily used for large scale deployment. So coming to the issues that were normally there, that of an existing customer, that it's it's too expensive. This drone has been fully designed under 50,000 rupees, which is very low compared to the other customers. So this can be used in multiple use cases. Like one example is in floods. Floods, we can fly autonomously and drop payload not only with one of our drones. We have an entire fleet of 3 UAVs, two for fixed wings and one for a drone. So the drone can use for short range delivery and the fixed wing can be used for long range delivery and reconnaissance. Second, we can use them for swimming pools. Like generally in Bangalore, we see multiple cases of children drowning in the pools. So we can have a drone that's docked there and will be continuously surveilling and helping deploying buoys if they're drowning. Then coming back to traffic, so Bangalore is fully congested with multiple traffic congestion points. So the Karnataka government can and police department can use my drones that can fly autonomously and surveil the multiple roads and find the congestion points and pinpoint it out. So there's a very huge gap in the market because generally we have drones that are specifically for one purpose. But my drone is an entire fleet of drones that can be used for multiple purposes. You can swap the payload and swap the mission identities, and it can be used for both medical research, medical deliveries, agriculture, defense, disaster management, and multiple other fields. So not only is it cheap and affordable, it's very reliable. Over 75 flights have been done fully successfully. Thank you. Good morning to everyone present here. My name is Vishwajinka from Class 9E, DPS Rifle Bangalore, and today I'll be presenting you my project which is known as SkyHawk, the multi-role UAV design system. So in today's world, many natural disasters such as floods and landslides are happening, and you can see them in Uttarakhand, Sri Lanka, and many other countries. So in this, thousands of lives are being taken away. And the problem statement here is that it's very tough to reach the places because of the tough terrain and because of the climate in that region. Plus, you cannot reach them by car or trucks. And traditional infrastructure requires manual operation, which requires workforce, skilled operators, and requires lots of time and it's very expensive. And for that, I've developed my own product known as SkyHawk. So SkyHawk is not just one or two UAVs. It's an entire line of 3 UAVs. One is a quadcopter, and the other 2 are fixed wings. These are all made in India, so they're designed, built, and manufactured all by me and in my house. So they're also 3D printed, so that makes it very eco-friendly and very cost-effective. So the SkyHawk quad is used for short-range delivery of payload, supplies, life jackets, and buoys for people in need. SkyHawk Aero, it's a 3D printed airplane that's used for surveillance and reconnaissance to find people where they exactly are, identify the targets. And SkyHawk Cargo is used for carrying bigger payloads. So what is the market opportunity? So the market opportunity for search and rescue goods and globally is around $25 billion as of this year and will grow till 2030. So the demand and market opportunity is very much there because natural disasters and disaster management is a very big humanitarian project that multiple NGOs and governments are always aiming towards this. And in India, the National Coast Guard the National Coast Guard Force are very keen into this, and of course multiple NGOs and the government itself. So the market opportunity is there, the product is there, and the solution is there. So what is the feasibility and scalability? So this system has been entirely designed, coded, and developed in India, and we can easily expand this through multiples of drones. So these are all autonomous drones. So that means that all the operator has to do is press a button and upload the waypoint or the GPS coordinate on which they have to drop the payload, like a life jacket or the food packet. The drone will autonomously take off, fly, deliver the equipment or any supplies, come back and land. This can be used for surveillance, this can be used for inspection, defense, and many other opportunities as well. Thank you. And today I'll be doing the autonomous disaster management operation. So right now the drone will fly autonomously to the location. Once it identifies a human which needs help in the flood scenario, then it will drop the buoy. So let's try. Even in very windy scenarios like today, it was able to autonomously fly after it recognized that a human was there in the GPS location. Then it identified that I needed help, and then it dropped the buoy, and it came back and landed, fully autonomous. Yeah. Ready. Yeah.
అట్లా స్టాప్ చేయలేడులే. విశ్రుత్ కంట్రోల్గా ఇక్కడికి తీసుకురామా. అప్ అప్. వెరీ నైస్, వెరీ గుడ్.
Turn it, turn it.